Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of activating your Chase credit card so you can start using it right away. Step 1. Locate your card and activation information. First, find your new Chase credit card and the accompanying documents. You will usually receive an activation sticker or a letter with instructions on how to activate your card. Keep your card, social security number, or other personal information handy for verification. Step 2. Activate online. Visit the official Chase website at www.chase.com/activate or log in to your Chase online account. Navigate to the Activate Cards section. Enter the required information, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Step 3. Activate by phone. If you prefer, you can activate your card by calling the number listed on the activation sticker or the back of your card. Follow the automated prompts and provide the requested information, such as your card number and date of birth. You may be asked to create a PIN if your card supports it. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message online or via the phone call. Your card is now ready to use for purchases, online transactions, and any other services offered by Chase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.